Okay, hello everyone. This is a video for my Year 10 class. The last homework, which was home study task 4, the last two questions. So question 27 on Mathswatch had a triangle that looked like this, and this was B, and this was A, and this was C, and this was 3x minus 4, and this side was 2x plus 12, and this side was 7x minus 2. Now you're told, or you're given, okay, that the ratio of the side AB to AC is 1 to 2, and you're asked to show that the ratio of AC to BC is 2 to 3. So where to start? Well, firstly, you've got to understand what this information actually means. So the ratio of AB to AC is 1 to 2 means that AC is equal to 2 times AB. Okay, so if you set that up, we know that AC is 2x plus 12, and that's equal to 2 times, and AB is 3x minus 4. So if you multiply that out, you've got 2x plus 12 equals 6x minus 8. You can add 8 to both sides, and you get 2x plus 20 equals 6x. Then you subtract 2x from both sides, you get 20 equals 4x, and then you can divide both sides by 4. So you end up with x equaling 20 divided by 4, which is 5. Okay, so we're now going to use this to show what they want. So I'm going to move on to another slide. Hold on. So if x equals 5, then the ratio of AC to BC, which in the diagram was 2x plus 12 to 7x minus 2, then I can substitute x equals 5 in for, I can substitute 5 in for x. So this is 2 lots of 5 plus 12 equals 7 lots of 5 minus 2, which is 10 plus 12 to 35 minus 2. So this is 22 to 33, and if you simplify that ratio, that becomes 2 to 3.